Hello guys, welcome back to the Harvest Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable the lightning effect LED lights in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova. So here, as you can see, we do have our applications called the Armory Crate, and if you are interested how to install this application, set up it with our device, check that out because we have it on our channel. And now we have to move from the audio section to the lightning section. As you can see, to disable or enable the LED lights, we have to tap this switch. Here, when enabling, we do have here, please note that the battery will be drained faster the RGB lightning is on. Tap OK to confirm, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.